Why are grants and aid vital to the American federal system's history? Imagine a puzzle where pieces from different boxes fit together to create a bigger picture. That's what grants and aid do in the American federal system. They connect federal and state governments in a way that shapes policies and laws across the country. These funds are given by the federal government to state and local governments to support specific programs. They have been a key part of how the United States has managed its shared governance since the early 1900s. Back in the beginning, the system was called dual federalism, meaning states and the federal government worked separately. But as the country grew, so did the need for cooperation. During the 1930s, especially with the New Deal, grants and aid helped shift to cooperative federalism. This meant both levels of government started working together more closely. States could now implement federal policies while still managing their own programs. Grants and aid also helped states expand services like education, healthcare, and transportation. For example, early land grants helped build schools and colleges. Later, federal funds supported highways, Medicaid, and environmental projects. These grants often came with rules that shaped how states created laws and policies. They could influence everything from civil rights to pollution control. Another reason grants and aid are so important is that they let states fund programs without raising taxes. During tough economic times, these funds keep vital services running without adding to the tax burden. They also create a complex relationship between federal and state governments. States depend on federal money but must follow federal rules, which can sometimes cause disagreements over sovereignty. Over time, the size and number of grants increased. In the 1960s, many new grants responded to social movements and national goals. More recently, reforms have made grants simpler by combining funds into larger block grants. These give states more flexibility but still come with federal conditions. Overall, grants and aid are vital because they help the federal government support state policies and programs. They link national priorities with local needs, shaping laws and services across the country. This system has allowed the United States to grow and adapt while maintaining a shared governance structure. Without these funds, many public services and policies would be much harder to sustain.